this introductory video, I'll show you what to expect the first time you log into your Elevate account, and then guide you around the various screens and menus, what we call the user interface. When you click the activation link in your welcome email, you'll see this screen which is shown the first time you log in. Don't worry, you can change these details later, but it should be straightforward to fill in the correct details at this stage. It is important though to know if your agency is VAT registered so that Elevate can automatically apply VAT if appropriate. When you log into Elevate, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The layout varies by module, but the principle is the same. It's a homepage where you can see the main activity and the key alerts and balances at a glance. Initially, obviously, it's going to be very bare, but it comprises a number of widgets such as your diary events for today, credit and arrears balances, agency revenue, and perhaps most importantly, your alerts, which highlight the actions requiring the most immediate attention. Some widgets may be hidden depending on your access level, but if you're the account owner, you will be able to see everything. Let's start in the top left corner with the module selector. This allows you to switch between sales and lettings as well as your financial accounting area, calendar and key manager. Moving across, you'll see the search bar, which returns results from across the entire system, and this is often the quickest way to locate any particular record. If there is only one matching result, it'll take you straight to that page, otherwise it'll show you a list of matching results. The top right corner also has the settings and help menus. We'll explore settings in another video, but it's typically an area you visit more in the early stages. It allows you to set up the way your agency works in terms of fee structures and charge types, to add your letterhead branding, set up document templates, add new user accounts, etc. And after that initial configuration, it's probably not going to be visited too often. The help menu is available on all pages and contains a few options. First of all, there are links to the main product help desk, where you'll find a wealth of articles and tutorials covering every aspect of the system, from the basics such as adding properties to more advanced and specific topics like reconciling your client accounts and analysing management revenue reports. You'll also find links to the quick start tutorials for easy reference on here, and many pages also have help articles specific to that page, which is particularly useful. For example, on the dashboard here, you'll find articles relating to the dashboard naturally. All of these link through to the product help desk website, and if you don't find the answer you're looking for, or if your query relates to a particular record in your account, you can send us a message by clicking that link, or you can simply email support@tiltelevate.com. Our support is by email, and it's lightning fast, very possibly the fastest support you'll find anywhere, so go ahead and try it and see. The add icon is just a shortcut for adding new records, and there's a quick link to your calendar here also. Next up is the main menu along the top, which changes by module. For example, this shows landlords and tenants since we're in the lettings module, but in sales it would show buyers and vendors. I'm going to quickly add a new property here so you can see the overview screen and the secondary menu, which is shown in the record view. Since we're looking at a property, this secondary menu gives you access to the marketing details, for example photos and portals, as well as the other types of management activity you'll be performing, like notes and documents, etc. These menu items will naturally change for other types of record. For example, on a tenancy overview, you can manage your rents. Financial data is always shown in the center pane, and contact information is normally on the right. On this record view, you'll see action and option buttons on the top right, such as delete and transfer ownership. But the main actions, what we call key actions, are shown in bright blue. These are the tasks you're most likely going to perform on this page, and they change depending on the context. A vacant property has a key action to create a tenancy, whereas an occupied property's key action may be to record a receipt. Most records are just a click away, which makes it really easy and fast to move between them. For example, I'll search for Larry Landlord, and from his overview page I can click onto a property to go straight there. Once we create a tenancy, you'll be able to click right through to the tenancy and the tenant, etc. That's a very high level view of how to find your way around. Keep watching the other videos to learn more.